Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to send audio messages on iPhone. First of all, open your messages apps, and as you can see, here is no option to record a voice. So to send a voice message, we need to open our voice memos apps and tap on this record button to start your voice recording. Once your recording finished, tap on this read button again to stop. Once you record it, tap on this three dot, tap on share, select messages, and select the recipient whom you want to send the voice message, and now tap on the send icon, and that's how you'll be able to send audio messages on iPhone. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.